Kia ora, welcome to the Routeburn Track, one of New Zealand's most diverse great walks. From luscious beach forests to breathtaking high alpine terrain, the Routeburn has it all.
The bush, the colours, the textures, the water coming down off the hillsides, it's just out of this world. It really is good for the soul.
So right through here we've got the Hollyford Valley, which goes out to Lake Makero, and then you've got the Tasman Sea.
When you're out there, you're just thinking about the moment and enjoying the views and having some fun.
After a long day's hiking, the guests know that there's a hot shower for them at the end of the day. Clean sheets, fresh towels. All of the food and drink that you'll need is here at the lodge, so your packs are a lot lighter. And it's just a really great way to get out there and experience a great walk in a fairly easy way.
It's good to get some me time, isn't it?
Away.
And it's so beautiful here. I mean, yeah, it fills you up.
The thing that I've really enjoyed about it, apart from the wonderful environment, is the people that you meet.
Over the 3 days, everyone bonds over their love of the outdoors. It's pretty incredible to see.